Hey guys, so finally got the OnePlus Nord from Amazon. This is a retail box and I got this for about 26,000 rupees using the cashback offer. And this is not a pop-up box, so there is nothing free or any free stuff except for this clear type case, which is quite decent, and also the usual paper stuff, and you are getting the 30-watt charger along with the cable as well. So that's pretty much it. So the phone doesn't have the 3.5 mm audio port, so you need to buy this accessory, and they're charging almost about 430 rupees including shipping. So that is kind of a little too much. Should have been included in the box, but at least charge maybe around 200 rupees. That would be a fair price in my opinion. So anyway, moving to the phone itself. Right away, I just love the way it feels in the hand. It feels very compact, lightweight, and does not feel hefty at all, especially coming from a phone like Realme that feels a little bit bulky and hefty. This definitely makes the phone stand out from the current generation of bulky smartphones like the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the Realme 6. But I don't like this pill-shaped punch hole design, and the back camera layout is also at this point feels almost generic, and I personally don't like the look of this. Also, there is no headphone jack for whatever reason. So when I booted it the first time, I noticed a bit of a weird thing. I found this small black dot or mark on the screen, and I wasn't sure if it was a dead pixel, stuck pixel, or maybe some small dust particle stuck on the screen. But I realized that it has the screen protector already, so just to make sure, I had to peel off the screen protector, and I found that the screen was just about okay. There is no issue on the screen. So if you find such an issue with your phone, then probably you don't have to peel that off. So I wanted to test the green tint issue, and you can see this is what the version that it is running currently out of the box, and there is also another update that is already available, but I did not update this, so I can actually test the green tint issue thing before the update, and if there is any, and apply the update later and to check the results. But actually when I tried to test the green tint issue, it was about 3-4 p.m, so it's not quite dark, but I'll try and test this thoroughly at night. And here, if you look at this right now, as you can see, with a black background on, I do not see any sort of tint issue. Even at around 10 to almost even at 0 brightness, you do not see anything, as you can see. So for now, I can say this is probably not really a big issue to worry about before buying this phone. One of the main reasons to buy this phone is the software experience. The Oxygen OS feels smooth and clean. You're definitely not getting a great hardware, it's just a decent hardware or a decent average phone, but on top of that you do get a clean user interface that is blot free and feels kind of close to stock Android. It feels pretty snappy, the performance is pretty good. I mean, I haven't even set up the device, as you can see, but these are just my first impressions, and the fingerprint works decently well. Pretty fast, I have no complaints, but not as good as a traditional fingerprint sensor. So that's been it, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below, and also like this video, subscribe. That's been it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.